Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share some solutions with you in order to solve the issue if your Battlefield 6 is not launching or not opening. So the first solution you can try is to just open your launcher where you have purchased the game. In my case it is EA. So if you have Steam or Epic Game Launcher, you just need to go to manage or just select your game and just repair that. So right now I have this option repair. If I select that, my game will be repaired and you can just launch the game and see if the problem solved or not. If the problem persists, what you can do next, just go to manage, view properties and open folder. Basically you just need to open the folder where you have installed the game. Once you do that, just hit right click on Battlefield 6, go to properties and select compatibility. Right here we need to turn on these three options. The first is run the program in compatibility mode, the second is this one, disable full screen optimizations, and the third is run the program as an administrator. Once you do that, hit apply and click OK. Now you can just close everything and just relaunch the game. If your problem is not solved yet, the last thing you can try is to just search for graphics settings. Then we need to select Battlefield 6. In the GPU preference, we need to select high performance and this should solve your problem. So yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you the next one. Bye bye.